and it's another day, and we're gonna work on welding these perches a little more. Yesterday I worked on grinding all these down, getting all those really bad welds taken care of. They're still welded on the inside, but I'm gonna heat these up and try to take some shots at them. Hopefully I do a better job than the previous owner did. I haven't been filming like a whole lot because I'm really just trying to rush and get this all done. Like, I don't even think I'm going to be painting this for this trip. I just have to get these perches done, bolt it all up, and just start getting everything ready because I'm running out of time and I just have to get it in, make it work, so we can go wheeling. I said I wasn't gonna paint, but I did. I'm regretting it because it's super hot and humid right now and it's taking forever to dry. So you know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in because I'm running out of time. But so I'm making 2 passes on this side and it looks really bad. But I heated it up with the torch and it seems like it penetrated pretty well. But after that, just did 1 pass on those. This is probably the best weld that I had, and some of them they were just not doing so great, but looks like everything's penetrated. So I gotta wheel this over to there. I needed to change out the one bushing on here, but I figured I'd just do both of them, and then the one back there was wearing, so I just figured while I'm at it, just change them since they're already off. So those are changed out. So I'm ready to wheel it over. I gotta put the center pins in here with the shims on. Once I get that in, then I'll go ahead and wheel the axle over, put that in, get this thing bolted up. the backing plates on, knuckles, whatever you want to call them. Axle is bolted in place. Excess bolt is cut. If you can't tell, that seal's kind of bad. I need to pull the seal out. I'm pretty sure this was probably the seal that let all the crap in. That took me like 4 cans of brake clean to clean this axle out. Pinion seal's bad too. I'll have to change that out. But for now, before I get all the brakes done, while I have the axle shafts out, I'm going to take care of this seal and then see where we need to go from there. I got the seals out, and the pinion seal actually didn't look too bad. I mean, maybe it is just bad. It looks kind of newer to me. So I don't know if maybe just the bearings are really wore inside, or I know the guy didn't seem to have the flange nut tightened down the whole way. So I don't know if maybe it was just that, or there is some play in the pinion. But we're gonna get a new seal, put that in. Obviously this one's seen better days, so I gotta go get new seals for that. I only got 1 bolt for the flange adapter. In my parts bin I have a bunch of bolts that are longer than this, so I'd rather just get the right length, so I'll probably get those. I think that's about all I gotta get for this. I might have to get some brake stuff when I get to the brakes, but hopefully tonight I can get the seals done, and while these areas are out, clean those. I cleaned the bearings when I pulled the pinion, but just try to spray it out, get as much gunk out as I can while these areas are open before I put the seals in.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.